friends, welcome to my channel. This time I came up to share an amazing weekend tour experience, and that is to Balasore, Orissa and Mandarmani during this March. As we have stayed long in the hometown this time, we have planned to visit Dublagiri or Bagda beach in Orissa on the first day and Mandarmani and Digha while returning back on the second day. It was an amazing experience with my parents, my younger sister and her husband, and three of us, of course. In today's video, I will cover the Dublagiri sea beach and its breathtaking experiences. However, in my next video, I will come up with the second part of this tour vlog, which is Mandarmani and Digha, West Bengal. Bagda Sea Beach is 2 km away from Dublagiri Sea Beach, which is a hidden gem in Orissa, which is 30 to 32 km from Balasore or Baleshwar railway station. It is also 35 km from famous Chadipur beach, which is also famous for its missile testing center by DRDO. India's satellite launch center is also located in Chadipur, Orissa. The nearest airport is Bhubaneswar and is 244 km away from Kolkata by road. There is also train option from Kolkata like Dauli Express or Bengaluru Express, almost 3 hours 15 minutes journey from Howrah station to Balasore. Here you can reserve an auto rickshaw or get a shared vehicle to your staycation. Maybe your resort can also arrange on a prior notice. Eco Camp where we stayed is a nature retreat that offers a friendly welcome. We received an exceptional hospitality from the staff from the moment we arrived until our departure. It was the Galaxy Nature Camp, one of the famous in Dublagiri. We stayed in a family room and my husband and my brother-in-law booked a tent in the same resort to satisfy their adventure-seeking feelings. Anyway, the rooms were well equipped with AC and geysers, though it was not that trend. However, they provided table fan those who were staying in the tent. In addition, they served tea continuously whenever needed. For the first time, I have experienced the pine forest encircles the sea beach. A thick pine forest encircles the shoreline. The dawn and sunsets are amazing. I must say it was an unforgettable memory for us. Dublagiri Sea Beach is an unexplored beach in Orissa where you may witness the unique phenomenon of disappearing and reappearing waters due to shifting tides. Can you just visualize? Which is brought on by glowing a marine life. It was for the first time we have experienced a disappeared beach where you can walk 2 to 3 kilometers deep inside during a low tide. That is what it is also called Invisible Beach. The seawater goes back 2 to 3 kilometers at least 2 times a day. We experienced the low tide in the noon and it was scorching hot during the noon. Riding a motorbike along the beach is a delightful experience that can be enjoyed. My father enjoyed the bike ride with a professional driver and he was super happy, which satisfied us from the deep within. Additionally, you have the opportunity to immerse yourself in the sea and feel the gentle waves enveloping you, showcasing the splendor of nature. After coming back from the sea beach, we freshened up, had lunch, and took a small nap. In the evening, we had tea. With a kettle of tea, they roam around the resort, so anytime you can enjoy some tea moment. It was a beautiful moonlight night or Purnima night. Me and my husband walked through the dense forest again towards sea beach after the sunset. It was thrilling too. Oh my god, what was an experience! There was a soft silvery glow and a sense of tranquility in the environment. Finally reached the beach and the moonlight embraced the mystery of night beaches, where magic feels real. The camera did not do justice to the scenario. I'm really sorry for that. Moonlight whispers and waves kiss the shore. They served delightful combo meals in the lunch and dinner featuring chicken, fish, and egg, with the flexibility to customize your selections. We had a priceless recollection of the breathtaking sunrise in the early morning. Maybe you are thinking why I am showing you the long clips of the walking video in the dense forest. As the coastline is surrounded by a thick pine forest, I wanted you to show the beauty of these shalbon or pine forests in the coastline. This natural beauty is hardly available in any coastal region. It was soothing in the early morning with a gentle breeze in the seashore. I dropped my son with his grandparents in the resort for an hour. Thus he can aramse complete his sleep and so as my father. No stress for them. My mother was there to take care of them for some time. As the beach is just nearby, we four came to enjoy by our own. Nowadays we hardly get time for ourselves. So my thinking is when your parents are there in the spot and capable of handling the baby, go get some me time or us time wherever possible. है ना? The sea looked magnificent during high tide and it was high tide during the morning, so we enjoyed a lot. husband loves sea and water activities, and he enjoyed a lot during his beach holidays. And I keep on capturing his energetic water activities. The coastline connects to Panchupada river, which is nearby. You can take a long walk. We hired a motorbike and rode towards the Mohona, where river meets sea, which is called Bahabalpur Mohan by locals. It was a thrilling experience in the next morning. See the live crabs? Really loved the vibe of the beach. It's beautiful, it's unique, it's crowdless. Moreover, the sea encouraged me to think about me, boost my confidence and imagination, and touched me with love and affection. Bagda or Dublagadi beach are famous for their red crabs. It was very hard to capture those crabs in the camera. I continued to carry the camera till 20 minutes to take a shot. Just think, they somehow recognized and go back to their shelter immediately. We then returned to the resort, freshened up, had breakfast, and started for the next Mondarmoni trip. This much for today. If you want a memorable weekend tour experience this month, do consider Dublagadi Sea Beach, as Digha or Mondarmoni and other West Bengal coastal destinations might be more common options for you, and you already have explored several of them. If you wish to know more about the weekend tour destinations from Kolkata, you can visit my YouTube channel for more options around Kolkata, and please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the next video update. Thank you.